Hi guys, so we are about to leave our apartment real quick to go finish the house, but this is a quick view of our apartment. I will do a apartment tour, but that won't be until I'm all settled in. I did want to do an empty apartment tour, but there was actually people in here cleaning when we came in, so yeah. But look at our bed setup. Josh set up our bed, thank God. And our room's pretty big, but we gotta go clean the other house and finish bringing stuff over here into storage. So lots to do today. Really busy weekend, non-relaxing at all, but whatever. You ready, Maddie?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
So I'll actually see you guys when I get back, just because I'm not gonna vlog. I won't have time at all. There's just too much to do that I can't like be doing stuff like this right now. So I'll see you guys when we get back. It will probably be dark time.
Bye.
Hi guys, I don't know what the hell happened to my camera, but for a second it like just went blank, like black, and it wouldn't like film or anything. What is wrong with it? That is so weird. It looks weird to me. But anyways, still unpacking everything. So far, this is what our room looks like. Crazy. Here's all of Maddie's stuff, her toys. And I decided to put my mirror right here so I could take selfies. But getting the closet set up right now. This is where Maddie's toys are going to be because she's sharing a room with us. And then all my clothes, and then her clothes are going to go right there. And then Josh's clothes are going to go right there. And then I'm going to move these away, but these are her mattresses that go to her bed. But yeah, I got to hang up all my stuff. And yeah, it's been very exhausting, but it looks crazy in here. Like, holy cow. It looks so crazy. I wish I was one of those people that like color coordinated their clothes, but ain't nobody got time for that. Anyways, I'm hoping Josh will get home soon. I'm starving. His phone is dead, so I'm like confused as to where he's at. But yeah, I look like a crazy person right now. Guys, I ran into a problem. I can't find my camera charger. This is really bad. And for some reason my camera is like not focusing. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Walmart real quick and get some food for the house. Maddie's sleeping, so years later. So open this bad boy. I actually never purchased the Michael Kors purse off of their website, so I got this specifically for work so I could have like a classy handbag without bringing my Louis Vuitton. So let's take a look at this baby. So I got this one in brown and a pastel pink because I love these colors. Well, it's like a blush pink. Hold on, my love. I'm doing something. This unraveled. So I like it. It's very structured. And I like that for like a work bag. Like, it looks very classy. And I'm glad I don't have to use my Louis Vuitton. I didn't want to bring my expensive handbag to work because that I like to wear on the weekends. So this would be perfect for work. What, my love? What?
Take it off.
Okay, hold on. So it's gold hardware. And I like this little tassel right here, and then it has the straps right there. Let's give a look. I can't even, it kind of sucks that they bend inward. Like I wish they bent outward, if that makes sense. But let's take a look at what's inside. So it has a button enclosure on it. Has some pockets on the side and then a middle pocket. Let's open, I'll open that up later. And then has 2 more pockets right there and then a zip pocket. And then, no, put that back. And then it has a pocket in the back, which I will probably put my phone in. But yeah, isn't this cute? Hi guys, good morning. So I wanted to show you guys real quick my outfit to work. I feel like this coat like makes me look like super big. Hold on 1 second. So this is my outfit. I'm just wearing this gray cardigan with my Abercrombie and Fitch cami. It's like a light pink with my gray Target pants and my Target slip-ons. So yeah, this is my outfit. I'm gonna go to work right now.